Okay, so subtracting fractions. Quick mini lesson here, same as adding fractions. Okay, there's one twist though that we come into with subtracting fractions. So when we're subtracting fractions, sometimes we're going to have to borrow, and that's where the trick comes in. So if we look at this problem, we're going to do the same thing that we did with adding fractions. We need to get common denominators first. So I cannot change my 5 to an 8 by doing 5 times something. So instead, I'm going to do 5 times 8 is 40, and I'm going to do 8 times 5 is 40. And then I get my common denominator of 40 for both of them. So then 3 times 5 is 15, and 1 times 8 is 8. And then this is where I start to have my problem, because 8 40ths take away 15 40ths is something I can't do. If I only have 8, I can't take away 15. So that's where borrowing comes in. To borrow, I'm going to come over to my whole number, and I'm going to take 1 away from that and make it a 2. The 1 that I take away from there is going to come over here, and that 1 is actually going to be 40 40ths, because that right there counts as 1 whole. So the 1 that I took away from here, I'm moving over to here. So now on the top, I have 48 40ths. So I can do 48 take away 15. Well, I've got to do a little work because I'm not sure what 48 take away 15 is. 8 take away 5 is 3, 4 take away 1 is 3. So now I have 33 40ths. And then 2 take away 1 is 1. So my final answer is going to be 1 and 33 40ths. Then if I do another one over here, just to refresh our memory, I'm going to make common denominators again. So 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. This is again where we run into our problem. I can't do 2 6 take away 3 6. So I have to borrow. So I'm going to borrow from my 4 and make that a 3. Okay, then I have to think, okay, I'm taking 1 whole away from here. So if I have 1 whole that I'm adding over to here, that's going to be 6 6. So now on the top here, I have a total of 8 6. So 8 take away 3 is 5, and that denominator stays the same. And 3 take away 2 is 1. So 1 and 5 6. Okay, go ahead and click the next video to try some on your own.